Zeacom Communications Center delivers advanced unified communication solutions to meet the business needs of a typical enterprise with up to 2,500 desktops, with an incorporated contact center of between 5 and 500 agents, but also to suit smaller companies who wish to improve communication and collaboration. ZCC gives you the tools to connect as one and do better business. You will seamlessly integrate functionality like presence, mobility, desktop telephony, your business applications, and your contact center across a range of communication devices. Whether it's your contact center agents, knowledge workers and executives, or the console operator, you'll give them the technology to improve efficiency and productivity at a price tag that's simply affordable. ZCC delivers a low total cost of ownership. This single-point solution runs on only one server, providing one easy application and one administration interface, all supported by a powerful reporting engine. You will lower hardware and software costs and reduce IT complexity. Let's show you how a ZCC Unified Contact Center would help you make the most of your business opportunities. Top 5 CC benefits. Here are the 5 key benefits that a unified contact center will deliver to your business. From superior customer service and cost reductions, to staff performance, contact center management, and better business outcomes. If you want your company to stand out from the crowd, it's essential to beat your competitors by communicating better with your customers. ZCC Key Benefit 1. Optimize customer service. The easiest way to create higher levels of customer satisfaction is to improve response times and reduce call abandonment rates. A ZCC contact center gives you multimedia queuing. Regardless of how your customers contact the business, they get treated with the same levels of attention. Your agents have full control over calls, faxes, or emails, all on one screen. Using ZCC Agent Desktop, they can keep every single queue to a minimum with ease. Create a highly productive workforce. Managers and agents can spread the workloads with a click on the screen to optimize response times. For example, when the warning bar goes red, a manager or agent can check presence and easily add extra resources to answer the queues. If somebody is on a coffee break, he is easily logged back into the system with a single click. ZCC Key Benefit 2. Introduce cost reductions. Because businesses regard their contact center as a cost center, the pressure is always on to reduce staffing levels and cost per contact. Presence is the answer because it saves everybody lots of time and enables real-time communications. You can see at a glance whether a colleague is active at their desk or not. You'll transfer calls only to people who are there at that very moment. Or you can fetch an expert the moment you need them. Start a web chat, for example, while you keep the conversation going with the customer who stays on the line. There's also easy-to-use functionality, like unified messaging, that enables staff to handle contacts more quickly. In your Lotus Notes or Microsoft Outlook inbox, click to open a fax, listen to a voice message, or read your emails. With ZCC, you'll find that even if you run a tight ship, there's room for additional savings. ZCC Key Benefit 3. Improve staff performance. With ZCC, everybody can monitor the entire contact center within the permissions you've set. Your agents can maximize the reward system by manipulating their own and other agents' performance and empowering experience. Agents will handle more calls when there's better self-management and some competitive spirit. Plus, ZCC has smart functionality like inbound-outbound dialing to optimize contact center activity levels. You'll make substantial productivity gains as your agents reduce their downtime. ZCC Key Benefit 4. Improve contact center management. Better management can only come about through superior insights. That's why contact center supervisors over the years have asked Zeacom to create some 200 standard reports. You can see where you need to make changes at a glance. And fine-tuning performance suddenly becomes a science rather than an art. As you make the necessary changes, you'll find that staff attrition and absenteeism will decrease dramatically. ZCC Key Benefit 5. Maximize business opportunities. First call resolution is very important for the customer who doesn't want to make repeat calls. But resolving that first call is even more important for the business. Nobody wants to waste time. So, having screen pops accompany calls is important. ZCC easily integrates incoming calls with the CRM system or database so that a customer can be greeted by name with all the relevant information at hand. And VIP customers will get routed to the top salespeople, while high-value customers never need to wait in the queue. Whereas customers who are late in paying their bills get automatically directed to accounts. Features like interactive voice response and customized announcements can sort out routine calls. Or you can introduce self-service through a speech recognition application. And if for some reason calls can't get answered quickly enough, give customers a callback option. They won't need to wait on the line and still retain their place in the queue. Beat the competition by giving your company the advantages of a ZCC Unified Contact Center. Remember, ZCC offers a low total cost of ownership. That's why some 2,500 customers around the world have implemented our Unified Contact Center. Now, let's check out some customer examples to see how they use ZCC to do better business. Here are some snapshots of what typical Zeacom customers achieved with their Unified Contact Center. Australian company, the Laminex Group, manufactures and sells decorative surfaces. They had to resolve several problem areas and brought in Zeacom to cut costs and improve service. Over a period of 3 years, their ZCC Contact Center raised productivity as staffing levels went down from 32 to 22 agents. Cost per contact were reduced by some $2 per call. Customer satisfaction levels greatly improved as the speed of answer was brought down from 35 seconds to just over 7 seconds. And the call abandonment rate was minimized to less than 0.5%. Not only did productivity levels shoot right up, everybody was also much happier with the performance of the contact center. Absenteeism went down by about 1/3, while staff attrition was sharply reduced to virtually 1/4 of its previous high turnover levels. The Australian branch of global appliances company Cisco was also very impressed with their ZCC contact center. They appreciated ZCC's powerful communication tools. Kino Cozy Associates in the U.S. considers its contact center an extremely valuable part of the operation and used it to create cost savings. Just like the Rickenbacker Collections Group in California, who increased revenues by 20%. For more information on how your company can increase revenues, become more competitive, and bring down costs, ask your account manager for a demonstration or visit Zeacom.com.